If you are a fish farmer, now person will see how pass your setup. I'm out fish farming now. Let's also show video way to the very end because setup in fish farming is the one of the best way to learn. Because if you are your setup, that's 1 year, it means you have a brain every of fish farming. No, it means more slow growth. It means so the problem maybe I did be brain every one. You have a chop when pass your setup, why fertilization, and send your money in our video. The video you be part 1, part 2, and a part 3. In this, we shall make sure so best subscribe to page. Now I share some of from any be share. If you are high in 7 farms, I check on start fish farming and snake farming in your backyard. It is a year interest, and I say, I dare person will see and now subscribe to page. So without wasting my time, let's get started. Until before I start, we find new location. Send I make out my previous video. So before I set up, make sure so find new location. Location is very sure baby. If you have a good environment, one as in maybe adding how we are shedding ni bebre. If when your location or you be I say level ground or continue now, you have seen oh video we mu. The Bible church when I pass a level ground or no I should show tap on yamani na or sa video we mu. This one subscribe page ni ya make sure to subscribe. No like and share my hope say be share. Let's get into it. Over level ground was an ebe say what she show Tarpaulin pond na ebi enye say baby was soro na baby was fell. The level ground now am come on. One say we say the auntie make sure say we check the ano. Then ABN to me bring the camera. You level ground one. One says how do we? So 1 year now the Tarpaulin pond is at the time come on baby no say betin me afiti Tarpaulin pond no nti say yetwa nti wo hwa se ne ye no sa pepe na so be ye ode no because say sia ne nti ye no sa say level ground the person ye di nsuo ni gumu a se na obue outlet ni ade ode ni nyina obehu ne nti a ye say level ground no wo be ye no sa pepe before ye be wie video no we nya understand ne nti a ye level ground no nti se ne ye ka no I in 7 farms. I check on pass start fish farming, snake farming business in your backyard. This is subscribe page in here. Now what subscribe it, what share some of friend you be a share. Until no where we what level ground in every no. That's how she share what Tarpaulin pond to weigh a bar. So be sure weigh a bar na not be share. Ayo Tarpaulin pond money I didn't see what the better tour. On send a million. So follow that process we prepare power so bet na hye Tarpaulin pond na unkofro bia meye ma no meje usikendi why bet your size how be hye Tarpaulin pond na why set up well lay plumbing work ni ade ni nyina to make sure say we subscribe page ni say na be information bia about our fish farming and snake farming to we Tarpaulin pond na ye kan eninie we be hwa we outlet we na ubebue nsuo no so edu time apese we change nsuo ni film wa no ho a ubua na nsuo na fam ne ade ti outlet no kwan benso na be fa obeye outlet ni kwan se e kire tank na chi se e kire ba bia e bia slope we dey call sloping down se na bia nsuo no betimi abue akọ nti no be hwa ye be dan ne sei ti outlet no e be ba sloping ground ho nti se bia o land no we sloping ground wo ma land bia so sloping wo this only sloping and make sure say obe level ground na ama until say obenya sloping ground outlet ni be ko ho open kirim bebre about fish farming say your numbers na etwa gum screen anim no obe frɛ yen ohun kyerɛkyerɛ bia no ye de bebre ya ha no bon say obe hwa bon say me de ba no hye we anim wo yan so a wanya abotre se na eba unse we na ye daade ni nti no wanya abotre ma no se na ede nko wo Ti say we ya na we make sure say obey ne kama. Say na dem fa problem emre wo. We na the we no I den ahye eni di say na make no. So we ya na we nya ntobo ase say na odin tete water pouring. We dey man leakage bia oh baby foforo. Nti no wa hyehye corners ni nyina wie no. We no ye the leg. And now na the be hyehye mu no. Two page one side na bring the camera. Nti no be hwa one ye nti a the reason why nti a yes level ground no. Tu be wie no won say we no betena fam wo kama. Yen outlet ni ni. Aha yen outlet ni ni. Tu won say esropi kama. Nti say we no change nsuo ni film one ho a ebi din ka wo tank ni. Sene ba mo ebi din ka wo sene fi ni ade nyina ebi ere nka wo ni. Ya fere wa wie no ni pillars no ni nan no. Ba camera no bra. Ni nan no won say fam ye mere. Say say opɛ ade bi na wode ne nan ni sisi obu bi ana se na de sisi na se nsugu tank ni mu na weight ba mu a bo se ebe mem won se na ekɔ fam no won se na ekɔ fam ebe mem nti no eya na wapɛ obu bi na de sisi so say say waye we awie no wa wie o setup no unwie ye efe na ba be lay plumbing work no ba be plumbing work ni ade ba plumbing work ni be no our next video nti am ka say video ye be part 1 part 2 and part 3 nti no second video no ye be kire kwan abefa say ye plumbing work no afi ye third video no so ya kire kwan abe fertilization because fertilization no eno na ho na mistake no wo no ona say wan ye ni ye a omwa no be sha ase awuwu no because tank na e buy no ebi a chemicals ni nyama e den ewum ti say ye fertilization na de clean tank no mu nyina say na wa introduce o fingerings and as o give na no e wo tank no nti our third video no na ye be kire kwan abefa say a obe fertilization ni nyama ni nyina na pe asen akire kwan abefa so ya den obe stock o fish no e wo tank ni nti be so be subscribe page no na like na pe write something in the comment section or na be you be hu so and pounds will follow video no. Thank you for watching and I will see you on my next video.